Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the best Mac menu bar managers right now on the market that you can use. The first one, which is a good one, very popular one, is Bartender 6 that you can use. As you can see, like this is how it looks like, and you can actually see here that it's kind of like good. So Bartender is very popular one, and I don't know if you like kind of like the design, but this is the one that you can actually like use. Now the next one is called Ice. So it's a free and open source comparing to Bartender that you can like buy for, like, because yes, you have like free trial, but then you have to like buy it. But with the Ice, it's free and open source, one of the most advanced Bartender alternatives. Lets you hide icons and also style the Max menu bar with rounded corners, borders, tins, extensive customization including multiple activation methods like hover, click, swipe, special support for notched MacBooks, for 15,000 plus GitHub stars, and you can see like what you can actually do with it. And but Ice won't work on a Mac 26 Taoe and requires Mac OS 14 plus, and it's kind of like the newer app, but it's kind of like good. So definitely check the Ice menu bar. Now the next one is the hidden bar, and also like the dozer. So the dozer is the most popular open source free alternative to Bartender. Ultra simple design, just two small dots in your menu bar. So this is like, as you can see, how it looks like. And it kind of like it's abandoned in a way. So latest stable version like 4.0 was like many years ago. So something like that's a con, to be honest, but again, just wanted to share it. Now the vanilla is also an interesting one. So the vanilla, how it actually works and what is it about. Free version lets you bundle menu bar icons you don't want to see in the drawer. Simple lightweight solution that doesn't require extensive setup, easy drag and drop and organization. Now the cons: pro version needed for features like completely hiding icons and keyboard shortcuts. Then you have also the only switch. That also some of these you can see they were like updated, so that's great. More than just menu bar and management tool. What you can actually get here offers a broad range of customizable toggle switches for quick access and system settings. Features include hide desktop icons, dark mode, hide MacBook notch. The cons: menu bar management is secondary feature, maybe overkill if you only want icon hiding, more complex than dedication tools. And then you can have also the Bar X. This is another one that I want to share, the last one. Complete free and incredibly simple to use, even beginners can get started in minutes. So Bar X, but it's like kind of like very simple one. So less knowns, establish fewer advanced features than Ice, let's say, and limited customization. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video actually helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.